say pie. Can one shot at Hey, what check of many sana pie. Pie bra. Hey! Hey! Come out! Come out! What people are in free? Hey! Come out! Come out! Come out! Hey! Come here. What are you doing inside the car? Hey! So you are doing it inside the car at this time, this afternoon, and you are not afraid. You are not afraid doing this here. Thank God. That's why God and Ghana government has appointed me to roam all over the community to arrest people like you. Do you know what you are doing here is prohibited? Do you know it's against the Ghana law? Do you know it's not good for you to do this in the community? Master, you are under arrest.
You are invading our privacy, no?
Ha!
You are invading our privacy.
What? One car. So you have the audacity and authority and capacity and energy to do it inside the car. Okay, and you want car, you do call to another. Don't talk. Any word you say here will go against you at the law court. I'm telling you. I will jail you 25 years. I will give you 14 years imprisonment. Me, Papa Police. Who name Kasaka tell me say, I'm invading my foot. Invading my foot. You are under arrest. Let's go to High Court. I'll take you to court. Follow me to police station. Get inside the car, and I'll take you to police station. What's the meeting day? It will be Minyamo. Yes, that's what I say. Then advise him. Come here, advise him. Advise him. Make you talk well. You have to talk well to me. Otherwise, I will take you to police station right now. Do you think I'm a small boy? Sure. I'm government appointee. Yes. You are under arrest. I will arrest you. I will arrest you. Sure. You are praying with Inspector Chinchile. Papa Police, what's your problem? I'm friend of Wakasa. Come make jealous here. Ha! One Ghana city. Don't you know it's an insult?
No, send me.
You are insulting me, right? Hey, I will take you to Central Police. Follow me. And enter the car. Hey.
No.
I will arrest you. I will arrest you. I swear to God, I will arrest you. One Ghana city. Do I look like a one city policeman? How dare you? If you don't know me, go to Central Police Station and ask them. Go to Showing Police Station, ask them. If you see Kofi Boache, ask Kofi Boache. Ask ACP. I told you General. Go and ask them. Go ask them. Talk well. Talk to me. Speak louder. I don't hear you.
No, if you're talking about money, I can give you more. But you are a man like me.
So?
Let's try and sort everything.
What you are doing here is not good.
No, wait.
What you are doing is not good.
You are a man like me.
So?
Sort everything.
So talk well.
Oh, relax, man.
You just talk well. That's all.
Actually, I don't know the girl.
You don't know the girl. You just saw her around.
I want to give her to you so that you continue.
Continue what? Have I tell you I need a girl? I have my own wife. Do you think I'm a small boy? I have my wife, I have my children, I have my babies, and I don't like any lady again. Master, I will take you to police station, and tomorrow morning, Monday, I will take you to court. I swear, I will take you to court. You enter the car.
Let me add this to it.
Hey,
Let me try and add this to it, please.
I think you have a lot of problem.
My brother.
I think you have a lot.
Like me. Why are you talking like that?
I will slap you if you don't talk. How dare you, man? Madam, enter the car. Madam, enter the car. Let's go to police. You let's go to police station. It's okay. Get your money. Get your money. Because it's not good. It's not good crowd collecting bribe. It's not good.
You name your price. Let's sort everything.
No.
Name your price. Let's sort everything here.
Am I charging you? I'm not charging you.
I know you are not charging me, so let's sort everything here. I'm a busy person. I need to move on.
It's okay. It's my duty to take you to police station, so let's go. I won't take anything again. I don't like anything. I don't like anything.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What's your problem, man?
Police.
Assembly. Yes. We are the police. Yes, I'm taking them.
One to me, I get bribe. Me chow. One call police station.
Thank God.
Evidence.
And I need to form.
Evidence. Thank God.
No.
Thank God. Thank God. That's evidence. My brother.
Me. The case is over. You take your case. The case is over. The case is over. The case is over.
Come on. Come for your bribe. Hey.